first sight. If that makes sense. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amaka, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys, sorry guys, I've been away for a very long time, and I want to use the opportunity to say I'm very sorry. It wasn't intentional. And to my new subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. To my old subscribers, you're welcome as usual. So guys, I made a video about my gas, and I got a lot of comments, and people were asking me to give them review on how to on the gas. People who have issue with their gas, and I saw a lot of comments, tons of comments. So I might not be able to read out all the comments, but I'll be showing you guys how to on the oven. For people who said how do you use the oven, I'm going to be showing you guys how I on my oven. Okay, actually I've only used my oven once since I got the gas, because I used to bake, but for some reason I've not really baked for a very long time. So I've not been using the gas. I only used it once just to dry up my fish, and it was really amazing. It was really good. So I'm going to be putting up the picture here how to actually on your gas. So I'll be putting up pictures. So first thing first, you have to on the oven. So when you turn on the oven, then you go with your matches or your gun, what is it called, your gun lighter. So whichever one you want to go with is fine. So when you go with your matches, you just locate the opening, just what you guys are seeing up there. You locate the opening, then you put the gun lighter or the matches there, so it's going to come on. Then you close it and leave it to be on for a little while, so it can you leave it on to heat up for a little while. So when you leave it to heat up for a little while, then you can now go in with whatever you want to put inside there. Just put it on a low heat, reduce it in a low heat. I think I saw one comment that said that she always leave it in a low heat, but it ends up burning whatever she puts in there. That means it's very I don't know. I don't know. I think that should be directed. Maybe you should go with your paper your warranty paper, right? Or guarantee, whichever one. Just go with it to the store where you got your gas and explain to them. I think they will have better idea on what you should do. But for me, I think mine is okay. I think mine is okay. So I don't know. And I think I had a lot of people saying stuff. Okay. And for the gas, I think it's good. It's good. I don't know if it has anything to do with the consumption of the gas, but I think it's good because I use 12.5 kg gas cylinder, and I noticed that it lasts long for me. So I don't know if it has to do with the gas cooker itself, the stove, or is it just the gas cylinder itself. So I don't know, but I'm just putting that out there in case some people have issues with theirs consuming more gas. I don't know, but yeah, in case. So, and that's one thing I can say. And I will also say that the gas is really nice. Like, since I've been using it, I haven't found any fault. I haven't found something that I'm not okay with my own gas cooker. So I think it has nothing to do with the stove, or I don't know, but I think I'm enjoying my stove, if that makes sense to you. Yeah. So if you are having issues with yours, I think you should go check it out. Maybe go back to where you got it and explain to them what you're experiencing, and they will have better idea, or they will look into your issue. So for people who actually dropped comments, asking me uh how to turn on the gas, I'm sure this would help. I don't know, but I think it will help on how you can turn on your gas. That's how I do mine, and it's quite okay. So I just hope I answered your questions. So if you have any other question you want to ask me, please drop it on the comment section. And for the record, this is not a promo or paid ad or anything, or paid review. Okay, I just got the gas. Actually, at first that wasn't the gas I had in mind I wanted to buy, but when I went to a very good store where they sell all the utensils and kitchen stuffs, fridge, freezer, all that. So I saw this gas and I just fell in love with it at first sight. If that makes sense. Okay, I just fell in love with the gas, so I got it. So it's not a paid review, or I'm not paid to come tell you guys that it's good, but this is my personal experience with the gas, so I decided to share with you guys. So for the record, I think the gas is up to 1 year now with me, and I don't know, I think it is up to 1 year. I made the review, I think, sometime around June. Yeah. So it's been with me since then. So yeah, we are bonding well. It burns well. It burns well. Yeah, and it's very easy to use. It's nice. So I would also recommend it to someone who is looking for a good gas to actually purchase. Okay, purchase. If you're looking for a good gas cooker, a good gas stove, you want to get for yourself a good stove for kitchens purposes, or for baking. I don't know, I've not used it to bake, so I can't really say. But if you're looking for a good stove, 4 burner, that you can actually use to cook delicious meals, then I can actually recommend it for someone who is looking for something like that. Okay guys, that's my honest review on that, my gas cooker. Yeah, that's my honest review. So I think it's cool. So if you have any other question regarding to the gas, just drop it on the comment section. Okay guys, and until I come your way next time, my name is Amaka, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.